Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about this product here, if it focuses. So this is the Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate Serum. So I am actually super lucky enough to receive quite a few Kiehl samples, and I have been trying this for well over a month now, and I of course had to share it with you. So being winter in Australia at the moment, my skin definitely goes through dry patches. So for my skincare routine, I absolutely love adding a serum because I just feel like it moisturizes a little bit more than your average moisturizer, in my personal opinion. You can always mix serums and moisturizers, and that also really does help. So let me get straight into this and tell you what they say about it, and then I'll let you know what I think about it. Also, just so you are aware, I do have it on at the moment. It is super early in the morning, and this is I guess what it looks like. So it's not a super oily serum. It does have a little bit of a shine, but yeah, it's not overly oily, but we will get into that. So on the Kiehl's website, and of course this is in Australian dollars, it comes in two sizes. So 15 mils is $49 and 30 mils is $79. So what is it? They say it's infused with botanical oils. Our antioxidant facial oil helps reduce the appearance of fatigue for energized, radiant skin. It's infused with ginger root, sunflower oil, and tamanu oil. This antioxidant serum helps skin look fresh and healthy looking all day. What it's good for: it revitalizes the skin to help correct the visible signs of fatigue for radiant glowing skin. It defends the skin from free radicals with antioxidant protection. It's non-comedogenic, non-acnogenic, and it is for all skin types. What else do they say? So to use it, it just says lightly pat several drops of the facial oil all over the face and in an upward circular motion, avoiding the immediate eye area. For use in the morning and at night, it says to try the nighttime facial oil to visibly replenish and restore the skin. So what do I feel about this? To be honest, I am obsessed. This is something that I can 100% see me purchasing in the near future because I love everything about this. I love the smell. It kind of does, it smells like, okay, so if you've tried that Ole Henriksen, the brightening like orange moisturizer and eye cream, it smells very much like that. It's very like fresh and zesty, like a little bit like a vitamin C, which I really, really like, especially in the morning. I just feel like that scent is such a nice morning skincare scent. I love the feeling. I love the radiance that your skin actually gets. I hope it's coming across. Like, I really, really love it. I also really have had great success with this under my makeup. You know, with some serums or moisturizers, your foundation just doesn't sit right and it goes all patchy and all of that, and it just doesn't work. If you put this on, let it soak in for, of course, as long as you can, but even if it's 5 minutes, this makes my makeup just sit so beautifully on the skin. And yeah, I really, really enjoy everything about it. Kiehl's has a few products that I find hit and miss. I either love them or hate them. This for me is in the love, absolutely love category. So if you've tried this, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear from you. I haven't had any breakouts or any issues like that with using this product, which is sometimes always like a question mark for me with serums, because obviously being an oily product, it's like, how will my skin react? And it's been really, really great so far. And yeah, the great thing about this as well, although I find it is a little bit on the expensive side, you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way, so the product does last quite a long time, which again, I really appreciate. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. If you do try this from this review, again, let me know. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again.